Okay, this is how the morning starting off. This is a brand new 2019 Range Rover Sport. Okay, about to get this in the shop real quick. All right, just give you a little quick shot of how it looks. The inside, interior, real quick. So we're gonna get to it. Okay, so you could get a nice clear view. Okay. So I'm about to get to this, and I'm also working on a Acura TL that I gotta get up on the other lift real quick. Alright. I just got finished basically this TL right here. I'm gonna get back to the range. As you can see, got back up here on the lift. Alright. Okay, just got finished with this Acura TL, but I gotta run a diagnostic scan on this vehicle for some codes. At the prior moment, I'm using one of the shop scan tools. So as you can see, this is a OTC 3111 right here. Okay, so I'm gonna get to this real quick. I'm gonna see basically what's gonna come back. Okay, nothing came back. Everything is good. Check again. Okay, so we good here. Okay, moving along in my day. This is the new 2019 Nissan Altima. I still got the range on the lift at the moment, so I gotta get this in and get back to the range. I'm doing a lot of multitasking right now. Okay. And you see what the mileage is on here. Okay. So you already know. You already know. On a Friday. So you got a lot of things going on. Got snap rings. You got your creepers down here. Look what you got down there. No bueno. Let's see. Oh, you know what I need? You don't have that that 1/4-inch locking hex extension adapter. Which, if you do have it, which lengths do you have it on?
I don't have any in stock.
Yeah, I need what is it? The 6, possibly the 6-inch. You know which one I'm talking about? It has the 1/4-inch hex that goes into the cordless drivers.
No.
Ranches. I gotta get you the part number. I have the part number. A lot of deals going on. So back to this Range Rover. Okay, and you can see how I'm set up. Basically, This is how it looks underneath the Range Rover Sport. Okay. You can't use a cordless to take down the shield. You gotta use a impact, because these bolts, which are 15 millimeters, are heavily torque tight for this underneath shield right here. Okay. Okay, now I'm about to tighten everything down. Like I said, this shield here is a heavy gauge, thick steel. This is not sheet metal like you would normally have underneath certain other make and model vehicles right here. Okay. Okay, so you already know it's hitting for. Okay, so now, as you see, I got the hood and location. It's basically right there. Okay. Okay, pretty much I got this done, so I'm ready to get this up out of here. Got a couple other different projects to get to. So that's gonna be it on this 2019 Range Rover Sport right here. Did get the Altima and the Acura done also, so I'm still moving along on the day. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna continue further later on. Stay tuned, because I do have a tool review coming up for you. As you can see, I was on a snap-on truck this morning, did pick up something. Alright, so until later, and as you already know, I always keep my signature lingering somewhere in the background. Peace.